topic: Mechanism of hormonal action. Hormone. Hormones are organic substances produced in a small amount by a specific tissue, which are endocrine glands, secreted into the bloodstream to control the biological activity in the target cell. Based on the chemical nature, hormones are classified into three types: steroid hormone, protein hormones, and derivatives of amino acid. Now we will talk about hormonal action. First we will talk about steroid hormone mechanism. Steroidal action. These are lipid derived steroid hormones. They can freely move through the membrane, or they can either bind through the receptor which are present in the target cell. They can move freely into the nucleus, where the hormone or the hormone receptor complex cause change in the gene activity. This increase in the transcription or mRNA formation, which leads to increase in the protein production within the cell. Examples of steroid hormone mechanism: testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, calcitoriol, etc. The second mechanism is non-steroidal hormone action, which are proteins or amino acid derivatives. This mechanism is carried out by the amino acid peptide hormone. This hormone cannot freely pass through the membrane of the target cell, so they bind to the cell surface receptors. There are proteins in the intracellular side of the target cell. They are associated with the receptors called G protein. G protein acts on the enzyme which convert ATP to the cyclic AMP, which is secondary messenger. Cyclic AMP change in the enzymatic activity, which turn protein kinase into the activated protein kinase for the further action of the protein production.